that is BCC 858 ICT Islamabad. That is Suzuki number. That is Suzuki um, more in mid latest time, and had been exposed because the same guy had been shouted loud that I would gonna be shot at all guys. It was just intimacy of his exception, rather than he was just role play for acting, as it was researched back in early 2018 by Sartaj Aziz. And Sartaj Aziz, my name is Asad Mahmood. I'm General from Pakistan Army, and you have predicted the Suzuki, not X Corolla, it was Suzuki, and duration of the interval was 14 as well. During the 14, you saw Suzuki Cultus to Maria Memo Suzuki, Janan Khan second son, Akhtar Gure, and then you have their persons, personalities and deceptions. So the car was not non-custom paid, but it was paid by Bank Al Habib by Sardar Shahbaz Sharif. But these guys has been heroin seller, and now they are just excusable, as you predict first. And this has happened on 2025, 6th of September. So this is just pedal up pain, and again now you are just know that I use this word, and you have told this word in 2018 of July. So you are our foreign minister, ban this car permanently, and buy me Toyota Grande or Honda City, or even I can pay their charges. That is how many cost on rent, 10,000, 20,000. This can afford by my mother as well, buy as you, and more to come. How it was researched, and it was waste of 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, almost 13 years to 14. If I even get married, I have so much young child who can play cricket, who can enjoy any sports car. So made them handcuff and tell the police traffic that they are heroin seller, as their heroin was not sold this time because of Manzoor Taylor, who was second con artist as well. And this is just the duration date of particulars which was used exceptionally. It was just a day to know that he asked that there are 3-star general as well. It was just difficult to know that that is absurd, that nobody can care about 3-star. Everybody like 2-star and 4-star. So I'm so much happy to be part of my army team. I work for Swiss Intelligence UK as well, Edward Philip, and he took my ID card illegally, and my file which was belong to Imran Khan. As I told that इस पर बहुत ज़्यादा फैसलाबाद की प्रॉपर्टी है, इसको टच ना करें. अब आप सबका बड़ी रिमांड लें और सबको ही जेल में बंद करें ताकि सारे ही पकड़े जाएं, क्योंकि मैंने केस जीत लिया है. मैं आपको अपने घर का एड्रेस दिखाता हूँ. ये मेरा फ़ोन नंबर है, और आप यही गाड़ी मेरे घर में छोड़ें, जो सफ़ेद रंग की गाड़ी है, जो कि जो नंबर मैंने आपको बताया है. और उसको मैं ठीक नहीं करूँगा, इसी तरह चलाऊँगा डंड के साथ, ताकि उनको पता चले. And my mother is M from Bristol State. So we have been seeing a big family from the frontier post for Benazir Bhutto as well. She's my mother, and her son is so much doubtful to know that everything was research. So how many costs has been made up to set up his shop for fruit in a Shibari market, which belong to me as well. And then it is just another hysteria for the Jalan team that he was region as Gondal Kiprokit, Tilakatan third son, who was badly exposed today and night time. And now to estimate, I think it was just waste of 1 crore to 2 crore 3 years. So just give me 3 crore to my bank account, which is 1759 is the branch code of Hyderabad, phase 5 branch, National Bank. So I would be happy to take this money and buy more good accessories for my car. Thank you very much.